Hi, my name is Otto Van Maerssen. I'm one of the attorneys at Bay Immigration Law, located in Palo Alto, California. I'd like to talk to you today about general requirements for investor visa, also known as the E-2 visa, or what are the requirements for getting the investor visa. The first requirement is relatively straightforward. It's what is your nationality? The country that you're from has to have a treaty of commerce between the United States and that country. The list of countries that do have such a treaty is pretty long. It doesn't include every country, but it is quite a number of countries. There are some complications that we could talk about maybe at some point later, like if you're a dual national or something like that. Let's assume for now that you have the nationality of a treaty country, and so you want to come as a treaty investor. So the next criteria, or next requirement, is you have to invest a substantial amount of capital. Well, it seems like it's fairly straightforward, but there's three separate parts to it. First, you have to show what the source of the money is. It has to be a legitimate source, and you have to show that it is legitimate. It can be a gift, it can be a loan, it can be earnings that you've had from other companies. The second requirement is the amount. Is it substantial? Unfortunately, the regulations don't say what counts as a substantial investment, and it depends on the kind of company that you want to create. Then the last part of investing a substantial amount of capital is you have to show that you're putting the money at risk. You can't just move money around in your bank accounts. You have to show that you really do or intend and you're committed to creating this investment enterprise. And then the last criteria that I want to talk about is that you have to show that this company is real and operating, or is about to become real and operating as soon as you enter the United States. And for that purpose, you have to show that it's a company that will generate a profit. How you show that it's going to generate a profit depends on if you're buying an existing company, then you have to look to the past earnings, or if you create a new company, then you will have to look at future earnings. So that's why it's really important to have a business plan, and the business plan should look at the financial projections and make a very good case that yes, within 5 years, this company will provide more than a marginal income to you and will turn a profit and will be a successful enterprise. That's it for the general requirements. I look forward to talking to you.